guys, I'm Vinayak from NiftyNayak.com, and in this video I'll be showing you the profit and loss statement of my account for this quarter, that is from July to September. So nowadays I have started making videos showing my P&L statement for every quarter, irrespective of whether it is in profit or loss. Before, I used to show MTM screenshots of my account on my Facebook, Twitter, link, Telegram, etc. every Thursday. But now I have reduced that drastically, because before, when I used to trade on Thursday, it was an intraday trade. So 70 to 80% of the profit, whatever was there in the MTM screenshot, was the realized profit, which means that the profit what I have booked, because we used to get a lot of leverage from the brokers and we used to trade using the leverage money. But now, as you all know, there is no leverage money, and if I start putting MTM screenshots, that will be misleading. So for example, if I have taken a trade and on that day I have made a loss of 5 lakhs, and next day the markets work in my favor and I made a profit of 4 lakhs. So in the MTM screenshot, it will be telling that I have made a profit of 4 lakhs. So if I take that screenshot and put it and show it to you people and tell you that I made a profit of 4 lakhs, that will be misleading. The fact is, I am still sitting in a loss of 1 lakh, right? So that's one of the reason why I stopped. I have reduced showing these MTM screenshots on social media. Even if I am showing that in social media, I will be showing only when the profit is realized. Or if it is not realized, I make a point in the comment telling that the MTM profit is not the actual profit, it is not the realized profit, and anything can happen on the next day. So next day, if market works in my favor, the profit can increase, and if it doesn't work in my favor, then probably it may reduce or even go to a loss, right? So now let me show you what happened to my trades this quarter. So last quarter, as you all know, I had made a profit of 17 lakhs. So I had shared a video on my YouTube. So if you have not seen, that video is there in the description below. You can just have a look at it. So this quarter, you can see I have logged into my account and this is the P&L statement. So here you can see that the profit has gone down from 17 lakh to 13 lakh 50,000. Which means that in this quarter, I had a loss of approximately 3.5 lakhs. So in this video, I will be telling you why I had a loss and what was the lessons which I actually learned from this loss. And let me tell you, people who lose will have a lot to teach you than people who actually made profits. Okay. So now let me show you month on month what happened to my trades. So here, let me go to my July expiry. So July expiry started from 25th June to 29th July. Okay. So you can see that in the month of July, we made a profit of approximately 3 lakhs. So one of the main reason why I had a loss in this quarter is the India VIX was very low. India VIX was around 12, 13, 14. But the moment what the Nifty or Bank Nifty was making was very, very high. You could see that Nifty was making an intraday move of 150 points. But the premium what we collected was very less and we had to do a lot of adjustments. And sometimes the adjustment did not work in our favor. That is one of the main reasons why we had to suffer a loss. And this quarter was a defensive quarter. So it was not the time for you to take aggressive trades and you had to be defensive. Okay. You just had to stay at the crease and make sure that you don't lose huge money. Okay. That should have been the motive, and I also had that motive, but unfortunately I had to lose some money. And let me tell you, in this business, losses are very common. If you're thinking that as a trader you should not be making losses, that is a wrong perspective. If you want to be a trader, be ready for losses as well. but the losses should be such that it will not wipe you out of the market. Okay, so if you see for the entire quarter, my loss is not more than 4-5% of my capital. So if that is the loss, it is, I am totally fine in taking such losses. Now I can tell you this quarter the VIX is good, the premiums are good, and it is time for us to take aggressive trades. That is for the quarter October, November and December. Let's see how market will favor us. Again, I will be coming out with the video after this quarter as well, so you can see whether I came out in profit or loss. I am confident that I will come out in profit, but if things don't work out, nothing can be done. So this was the July quarter. Now let us see what happened in August. So in August August month started from 30th July to 26th August. So this month was a loss where I had to lose around 1 lakh. Okay. One of the main reason why I lost in this month is because, as you all know, Nifty lot size changed from 75 to 50. I knew that, I remembered that. So when I started taking trades, especially in the first week of that expiry, I had in my mind that the Nifty lot size is 50 and I took the trades accordingly. So if I had to take 10 lots, I would take 500 quantity. So, but after some time, after few days, I forgot that Nifty lot size has changed, and whenever I had to do adjustments, I did it in multiples of 75. So when I had to take 10 lots, I started trading in 750 quantity. Yes, if I had observed that on that day, I could have closed some and done something. But I realized that after few days, after 2-3 days, I realized that I had taken trades in multiples of 50, and while doing adjustments, I had taken it in multiples of 75. The balance had gone wrong, and I had to do a lot of counter trades which did not work in my favor. So I had to do. So it was a mistake from my side. Okay, but whatever it is, markets did punish me. So I learned a lesson the hard way. So the lesson is, whenever these kind of lot size changes happen, make sure you remember them whenever you are trading. And in trading, these kind of mistakes are very common. Okay, so I have experienced this a lot. So instead of buying, we sometimes sell, and instead of sometimes 17,500, we trade 16,500, strikes mistakes. So these kind of things are very common. So you need to be very careful whenever you are trading. Okay. So now let's see what happened in the month of September. September, as I told you, it was a very volatile month. Nifty was all over the places. It shot up and went to 17,700, then it fell to 17,300, then again it went to 17,900, and in the last week again it fell. So it was a very volatile month. So I could not manage such huge volatility. So in the month of September also I had a loss. So let me just show you what happened. So September series started from 27 August to 30th September. So here you can see that I had a loss of approximately 3 lakhs. Okay. So this was my quarterly statement where I had a loss of approximately 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. So even then, for this financial year, I am still sitting with a profit of approximately more than 20-25%. Okay. So losses are common. So let's see what will happen to this quarter. So I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.